Watching my boyfriend getting ready for his wedding, even though we are living together. Oh my gosh, that is so painful. You live together with this person and they got married. Why? Like, if you live with this person, you share a child with them, they also share a child together. Somebody reached out to me about this story, and I'm going to share the story with you guys. And that is the story. How on heavens and earth you can sit and watch somebody that you care for, you share a child with, get ready and go and marry to somebody. How do you do that? Like, what in the world is this? So this guy in Jamaica live with his baby mother, and this is not the first story. Someone has spoke to me about this, another lady, and it's not for opportunity. I mean, it's an opportunity, but with this guy, it's not like, okay, he's gonna go overseas. The person he's getting married to, they have a big job in Jamaica, and I guess I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea what this is about. But it's not like, okay, the person is gonna leave and go overseas or anything like that. The person is when married to live in Jamaica. But this other case that I want to tell you about is that this lady called me one day and asked me to do some things for her because her husband is coming up. And she said she got my number from somebody and she was asking me to do something for her. So she started to tell me about the marriage. So this lady reached out to me and asked me to do something for her because her husband was coming up, and she got my number from a friend of mine. So she asked me to do something for her. Anyways, I'm not going to share what I did, but I'm just telling you the story. So she told me that the guy mother live here, and she went down and she married to the guy. She married to him in a hotel, a Jamaica. And the baby mother did not know. He lives with his baby mother. And guess when she finds out right before the wedding that he lives with his baby mother. And this boy go and marry to this lady for the opportunity, and the baby mother don't know. She don't know. And it's after the wedding she finds out. So it's a similar story. But anyway, this one was watching her baby father getting ready to go married, and him a beg her, don't leave. The first story, him said, don't leave. Me I go get married is an opportunity. Why me I get married? Him tell her the opportunity. To me, that is the opportunity where me here. To me, that is no opportunity. If me and your baby mother and me and you live together before you meet this person, why me and you can't make life together? Why me and you can't come up with some plan to make life together? Why is it that you have to go there and go get married to somebody for opportunity? Me and you are baby mother, me and you live together, you don't have a child with this person. And if you meet that person and them give you some promises, that promises no must work out. What make you think me and you can tough it out and be together? First of all, this person have our mother in America, and this person can also get filed for her from our mother, and you can also come up here, get married to she, and come up here eventually, and we can still stay here. We're still young, we can still build life together. Why you have to marry to somebody down there to get an opportunity down there? That don't make no sense to me. You don't care about me, you don't care about my feelings. Why you have to be so cold? And then now you have the audacity for you tell me, say, me nothing leave while you are leave to go get married. So what she did was packed up when he gone for the wedding and move out everything. So when he come back from the wedding, him don't see nothing in the house. That is cold. So with this lady now, we live here, we go down go married to the man in the hotel, and the baby mother never know. She literally tell me say the guy no have no manners. Like him a talk down to her already and him don't even reach here. That is a red flag. That is a red flag. But what happened is the mother get the lady for married to him. And the mother get the lady for married to him, Like PR. But she no take the money and want a relationship. So when the guy come up here now, 2 months, in getting green card and in gone left she. In gone, because guess what? In a situation like that, if me do something like this, all them something me I know. They something me I know. The lady I go pay you to go do something for our son to get him here. And you take yourself want a relationship and don't know the background of this man. The man I give you attitude, because guess what? When a man having heart in a one place, easy for just pull it out, It obviously say in like this baby mother and him a try to do a thing because him and him mother and this woman a plan it. Him and him mother and this woman a plan it. And you know want a relationship, so he must switch pan instead of him mother go give you the whole heap of money, him brainwash you because you know a no sense. Why you are go back beyond something? If you say you are going to take the money and go use it, invest it in a something. Because it got to be a good little piece of food where you plan to take. Invest it in a something. Make it up and go buy pan a down payment pan a house. Yeah. And rent it out. Put that money in and use. Buy a house with it and rent it out and use that money pay the mortgage. And at the end of the day, you know so that is an asset for you. Because you do them something, First of all, you can use 10 to 20, 30 to $20,000 as a down payment on a house. Invest it and then go rent it out. Use the rent and pay the mortgage. You understand? If you don't want to live in there, or you live in a one, go invest the money. Put it in a one bank where you get 6% and make it stay there and grow interest. When you grow the interest, where you get 4 or 5%, put it in a Marcus bank. When you go sign up and put it in, when you have a little money, put it in a Marcus bank. Sign up a savings account and you get 4%, 4.7%, I think, 7 something percent. Put it in there and make it grow. Because a good money people are paying for doing something there. So you get it, invest it. If not enough to put on a down payment to get a house, put it there so until you're ready to use it. Nobody goes plant it out. So the mother pay for the wedding. And then when the guy come up here and get in green card, he say goodbye. Because he never want her. He just fake it. The whole time he fake it with she. Him said the guy, she said the guy did not give her attitude. She tell me said the guy did not give her attitude. So if the guy give you attitude, she said that is a red flag. That is a red flag. Married to my husband, and me I tell you this. If God forbid, and him say, listen, I'm tired of this now, It's not gonna work, And him decide say, I'm go. Nah, take up no drama, Just chill with my grandpitney them and go enjoy life. Get up at daytime. If me not work or me I do a little business or whatever me I do, me just do what me I do. And me go and walk up and down, me go and go travel, go do something with my life. me get little older, me just me no bother. Me no bother. Too much chaos and drama. It's like love not there again. Love not there. People just use people. Like, please, get a grip. My God, you're living at the house with the woman, and she watch you and get cold with the heart of mankind, the opportunity. Papa Jesus. What can go so, sir? Anyways, I am going to get the caller on the phone because she wants to talk to me. So that will come up soon. But I'm just giving her a little highlight. So she gonna tell me more of the story because I have spoke to her mother and her mother tell me about the story. She said me can't give her a heads up of the story because it's going to become eventually on this page. She's going to talk to me, but she'll go through the morning still right now. And when she calm down a little, she's going to share her part of the story and what happened and a little bit about the life where them have. So eventually she's going to give me a call and I'm going to record it and share that with you guys. Anyway, Madonnas, big up on yourself. I want to let me know. Talk to me in the comment section because you know I am very much active. More blessings and prosperity to you all. Bye bye. Hit that like button for me. Bye bye.